Miscellaneous exercise 4. The question was find the equation of the line which passes through the point 3 comma 4. So rough picture draw करेंगे. X and y axis and it's line, rough picture only. So it's a line. So what it says is this line is passing through the point 3 comma 4. So this is passing through the point 3 comma 4 and cuts off intercepts from the coordinate axis such that their sum is 14. So we don't know the x-intercept, let the x-intercept is a. We don't know the y-intercept, let the y-intercept is b. What is given is a plus b is equal to 14. What it is given. Now what we have to find the equation of the line. So we know that the equation of the line is in intercept form. It is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of the line. So that is x by a plus y upon b is 14 minus a is equal to 1 because a plus b is equal to 14 is given. So b is equal to 14 minus a is equal to 1. Now since 3 comma 4 is a point on the line so it will satisfy the equation that is x is equal to 3 by a plus 4 by 14 minus a is equal to 1. ये सॉल्व करेंगे तो a का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. When you get the value of a you can substitute it for and you can find the value of b. Simple है ना. It is 3 into 14 minus a plus 4 into a the whole divided by a into 14 minus a is equal to 1. So which is 3 into 14, 42 minus 3a plus 4a is equal to क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो a into 14, 14a, a into minus a square. So which is a square राइट साइड में आएंगे तो माइनस a square राइट साइड में तो प्लस a square प्लस 14 है माइनस 14 है सो इट इज माइनस 13 हो जाएगा क्योंकि -3 है प्लस 4 है प्लस a minus 14 है minus 13 है and plus 42 was already there is equal to 0. So this is a minus 7 into a minus 6 is equal to 0. So that implies a is equal to 7 and a is equal to 6. So when a is equal to 7, b is equal to 7 because sum is 14. So the equation is x by 7 plus y by 7 is equal to 1. When a is equal to 6, b is equal to 8. So the equation is x by 6 plus y by 8 is equal to 1. That's all. Okay, got it? Is it clear? Any other question you have doubt?
सर क्वेश्चन सर
हाँ.
क्वेश्चन फोर्थ दूसरा है सर आपने जो एक्सप्लेन किया यहाँ पर डिफरेंट लिखा है.
Okay. तो पहले से क्यों बोला नहीं? Okay, let me check. Okay, no, that was a question
What are
from
the
exemplar questions. Okay, this is from exemplar actually. Okay, question number 4, miscellaneous exercise. What are the points on the y-axis whose distance from the line is 4 units? So again, rough picture. X-axis, y-axis. Distance from the line x by 3 plus y by 4. So your line is like this. X by 3, this is 3. This is 4. So your line is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So what are the points on the y-axis? So y-axis में हमें point चाहिए y-axis. So suppose here some points, we don't know, rough picture. What are the points on the y-axis whose distance from the line is 4 units? So this distance, so the distance, this distance कितना आना चाहिए? This is 4 units आना चाहिए. Okay, so that point we don't know. That point is some 0 comma y or 0 comma k or 0 comma a, whatever it is you can take, because that's the point. So distance कितना है करके बोला? 4 है करके बोला. So distance formula क्या है? Distance of a point from a line is ax1 plus by1 plus c उसका absolute value modulus divided by under root a square plus b square. तो इसको पहले उसी फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. This is 4x plus 3y the whole divided by 12 is equal to 1. Cross multiply करेंगे तो 4x plus 3y is equal to 12, or you can say 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. So from there you know that a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 12. So the point, now the point is 0 comma k. So distance is given as 4, so you can say 4 is equal to a into 4 into x1 0 plus b 3 into y, that is k, plus c, that is minus 12, divided by under root 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9. So that is 4 is equal to modulus 4 into 0 0, आपको मिलेगा 3k minus 12 the whole divided by 5. 16 plus 9 is 25, so 5. So इसमें से आपको मिलेगा modulus 3k minus 12 is equal to 20. So modulus 3k minus 12 is equal to 20 मतलब there are two possibilities. 3k minus 12 can be 20, or 3k minus 12 can be minus 20. Modulus के अंदर plus 20 आया है तो भी, minus 20 आया है तो भी, when you take the modulus it will be 20 only. So from the first you will get 3k is equal to 32. So k is equal to 32 by 3. Second you will get 3k is equal to minus 8. K is equal to minus 8 by 3. So the points are, it can be 0 comma 32 upon 3 or 0 comma negative 8 by 3. These are the 2 points on the y-axis where the distance between that point and this given line is 4 units. Clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
In any other question? This is a simple question only. Any other question that you have
No,
now?
sir.
Okay. Now then we will go to that chapter conic sections. So I will go a little fast also because your exams are coming also.